party each and every Friday night live on C1035. But I gotta tell you, there's Vito and Ulysses and our friends from France here. Are you throwing tunnels at me? There's a password here tonight, party people. And you know what the password is? Cascada. What's the password? Sorry, I can't hear you. What's the password? Constantine, you think they're noisy enough? No, huh? I don't know. Let me hear you! Fernando, I think this crowd's almost ready for Cascada. You know what some of you may or may not know, this Cascada was born in England and now lives in Germany. She is by far not only the best looking female artist out there, she's not bad. Wait till you see this English girl. But man, you gotta hear this girl sing. Party people, I want you to hear you make some noise for Cascada! What's the password? Cascada, 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 Cascada. I can't hear you. She can't hear you. Frank, are we ready to go? Party people, make some noise for Cascada! We're on the middle of the show! We're here live!
Ladies and gentlemen, she was born
I can't hear you!
to share her passions with millions of fans and people from all over the world. She brought you hits like Every Time We Touch, Miracle, Truly, Madly, Deeply. Ladies and gentlemen, we are proud to present live on stage the unreached, unchallenged, the award-winning true queen of dance, Cascada.
Put us on the map, thanks to you guys as well. It's very important to me, I hope you remember it. It's called Every Time We Touch. I still hear your voice when you sleep next to me. I still feel your touch in my dream. Forgive me my weakness, but I don't know why. Without you it's hard to survive. 'Cause every time we touch, I get this feeling, and every time we kiss amazing. I'm going to need double there for this next song. This next song was actually a single in Europe, and I really like it. This is Because the Night. Did you hear that? We're going to turn this up.
Take me now, baby, here as I am. Hold me close, try and understand. Desire is hunger, is the fire I breathe. Love is a banquet on which we feed. Come on now, try and understand.